Part 9. Understanding the industry and your objective in the trading industry. Major players include large trading exchanges, hedge funds, and companies with trillions in holdings. These large companies use automated and systematic trading systems to collect significant commissions volume and make consistent gains in the market in what's known as black box trading systems and algorithms. We demystify trading algorithms and make them understandable for the average person. Understanding the structure of the financial markets and the global economy is essential for successful trading. The banking system, for example, operates as a pyramid scheme where central banks print money and offer it to prime banks at certain interest rates. These prime banks, in turn, have subsidiaries and other banking institutions that further loan money to large and mid-sized companies and eventually to the average person or business owner. This hierarchical system allows money to trickle down to individuals, like us, who engage in financial markets as standard retail traders or investors. By comprehending this economic structure, traders can leverage strategic trading strategies to lay a strong foundation for future growth and expansion. This knowledge can be the stepping stone to dealing with larger amounts of capital and achieving greater financial success. The financial trading industry boasts prominent players such as Citadel, Bridgewater Associates, large trading exchanges housing thousands of hedge funds, and colossal corporations like BlackRock with trillions of dollars in holdings. These billion and trillion-dollar entities deploy automated and systematic trading systems similar to the range bars we use for our strategies. By executing precise entries and exits, they efficiently manage large and balanced portfolios while collecting significant commissions due to the vast amount of trades processed and block orders executed using their systems. While they may experience average or below average performance in some years, their revenue remains substantial due to the sheer volume of transactions. Our objective is to educate aspiring traders on how these principles can be applied at a smaller scale, equipping them to run their trading business with confidence and success to grow long-term with an exact structure and foundation to do so.